Assalamualaikum. Morning guys. Hari kedua dekat Awana Resort. Oh, sejuk. Sekejap lagi kita ada morning breaks, walks. Pagi-pagi kita berjalan kena tail lo kan. Skip lo. Sejuk. Dari sekarang 7.30 kita jalan lah. So macam ni suasana pagi. Cantik. Awan berkabus berawan, membiru sakan, hijau menawan. Sunyi berdiam sunyi. Keindahan rupawan tiada tandingan. Allah. Ciptaan Tuhan tiada bandingan. Indah rupawan, cantik menawan. Ni aku nak buat lagi ni. Ada lagi ni tambahan ni. Ataupun dia apa orang kata, dia terkena rumput. Alright, nanti kita jumpa lagi dengan Brick Walks. Assalamualaikum, morning. Suasana pagi. Sejuk. Jadi kita pergi jalan-jalan pada Enggor. So guys, siapa yang nak datang sini, boleh lah, ada macam-macam aktiviti juga kat Awana Resort ni. So kita punya tempat tidur lah, dah macam menara condong. Ni ada lagi ni kedai macam baru nak buat, tengah buat. Tu ada kedai macam mini market. Dia punya bangunan dia boleh tahan lah. Bangunan lama tapi still maintain good lah. Nice. Very nice. Sejuk juga kan. Lagi kita 7.30 baru jalan. Tunggu geng-geng ni baru bangun. Ada yang baru mandi. So nanti pukul berapa tadi? Pukul 7.30 jalan. So gelubuk-gelubak mungkin pukul 8 kot. Pukul 8 ke pukul 9 ke. Makan breakfast. And then ada aktiviti lagi pukul 10. 10. So tengoklah macam mana sekejap lagi. Harap okey lah. So aku dah release, aku dah siapkan video nombor 1. And then day 1, semalam kita sampai rehat-rehat, makan semalam pun seafood. Lepas tu kita kita buat atur cara program sukan eka. And then lepas sukan eka team building. And then kita naik bilik, mandi semua pukul 6 lebih. Kat 7 tu kita turun makan kan malam. Lepas tu aktiviti santai lah. Aktiviti sendiri, ada yang naik atas ke genting atas, ada yang terbongkang, termasuklah aku terbongkang. Naik badan dalam. Lepas tu tengoklah. Hari ni atur cara pagi ni jalan-jalan. Nak kata hiking tak juga kot. Jalan. And then lepas tu nanti kita makan pagi, sarapan pagi. Tu baru kita start balik atur cara penutupan. And then check out. Lepas tu kita balik KL. Okay guys. So sambung nanti. Kita pergi jalan-jalan hiking. Peace out.
Tak apa-apa pun ni. And then what you facing right now. So if you all have any question, you can ask me or ask my colleagues who follow me too. You can ask them about the what we have inside the forest. So some areas maybe a bit slippery, just be careful. We provide the walking stick also if you need. So if you see the market, don't make the eye contact, don't show your teeth, and don't make a noisy, don't make a noise. And then when you saw the golfer, please don't make a noise. And then when they want to tee off, we just stop a while because sometimes they cannot hit safe. Sometimes the ball can come to our place. Okay, alright. Hey, last call for the toilet. Our toilet is over there. You can go first before you go to the one place. Take around 45 minutes to kilometers. Okay, alright. Let's go.
So, to go toilet. Tak pergi air juga.
Like that, yeah. For other something the toilet is very like more rounded, yeah. And this one, if you see the hand also, very like very skinny like that. Because it's actually a terrestrial tortoise. It's a decaying one. If you put in the water or pond, actually it will drown. Yeah, it cannot. So it's a land one. A land tortoise. Yeah. And then the nose got that red. Yeah, the nose pink, and then the eyes actually blue color. Very pretty.
Boleh gambar. Betul lah. Bagus lah Syan. Ni untuk kamera vlog lah kiranya. Dia boleh ambil snap gambar. So kita boleh tengok depan so kita tahu lah macam sesuai untuk vlog lah.
So ada gambar saya tak?
Ada? Ya, nampak.
Assalamualaikum.
Ucapan sikit.
Selamat pagi. Di pagi yang mulia ini, jom kita beri swap ya.
Because only golfers play. You're not allowed to enter. So that's the reason why we have that chop 2.2. So in the future you can run on your own. And where is he going?
Yeah.
Okay, he's listening too. Alright, so that's our narrative there, giving back the mountain. Next, our owner is not just giving back the mountain, he must give amenities. And I want to tell you this, KLCC, you're from there, right?
Yep.
Is the only place in the whole country, at least in here and Sabah, where a forest or at least nature has got a mall.
You understand? Nature has got a more. You go to Taman Tugu, then no more. You go to Bukit Kera, then no more. Setia Alam, there's no more. Taman Negara, no more. Kuala Selangor, no more. Taiping Safari Zoo, no more. You're the only one that has blend in.
Tongkat.
Hai.
Ya.
Assalamualaikum. Jom kita morning walk.
Belum lagi. Foto kan.
Air karat kan?
Dah habis jalan, kita makan. Nah. Jom.
So what you need to do, distribute the card to each team member, one each. Okay? You're gonna do this exercise together. Just distribute.
We have fun.
Hi everyone, I am B.
I am L.
I am U. I am E. And we are blue. Sekarang you nak nampak Fitriza tak? Okay, last but not least, okay.
O R
N G E. G E
Alright guys, dah nak balik. So aktiviti kita pun dah nak habis. Belum lagi. Okay. So insyaAllah ada lagi rezeki, kita jumpa lagi. Okay. Okay, say hi and bye bye. So, alright, so nanti saya post lah dalam group. Saya edit nanti saya post. Okay. Jangan cari belon lagi ya. Jangan cari belon.
Kau tengok. Dia pun tahu bajet tim puding menang. Nampak sangat.
Okay lah. Awan, see you next time. Alright, signing off. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's say hi, bye bye. Yeah. Balik.
Kerja.
Okay. Right, hujung sekali. Hujung sekali.
Kau masuk kerja kau apa? Sini.
Ha? Okay, bye bye.